Cuprum metallicum, Allen's keynotes, copper, formula Cn. Spasms and cramps, symptoms disposed to appear periodically and in groups. Mental and physical exhaustion from overexertion of mind and loss of sleep. Attacks of unconquerable anxiety. A strong, sweetish, metallic copper taste in the mouth with flow of saliva. Constant frustration and retraction of the tongue like a snake. While drinking, the fluid descends with a gurgling sound. Cholera morbus or Asiatic cholera with cramps in abdomen and calves of legs. Bad effects of repercussed eruptions resulting in brain affection, spasms, convulsions, vomiting of suppressed food sweat. Convulsions with blue face and clenched thumbs. Cramps in the extremities, pains, soles, calves with great weariness of limbs. Clonic spasms beginning in fingers and toes and spreading over entire body during pregnancy, puerperal convulsions after fright or vexation from metastasis from other organs to brain. Paralysis of tongue, imperfect stammering speech. Epilepsy, aura begins in knees and ascends, aggravation at night, during sleep, about new moon, at regular intervals, from a fall or blow upon the head, from getting wet. Cough has a gurgling sound as if water was being poured from a bottle. I repeat, cough has a gurgling sound as if water was being poured from a bottle. Cough ameliorate by drinking cold water. Whooping cough, long-lasting, suffocating, spasmodic cough, unable to speak, breathless, blue face, rigid, stiff, 3 attacks successively. Vomiting of solid food after regaining consciousness. Cataleptic spasm with each paroxysm. After pains, severe, distressing in calves and soles. Relations, complementary, calcarea. Compare arsenic and veratrum in cholera and cholera morbus. Ipecac, the vegetable analog. Veratrum follows well in whooping cough and cholera. Apis and zinc in convulsions from suppressed exanthema. Aggravation, cold air, cold wind at night, suppressed food sweat or exanthema. Amelioration, nausea, vomiting and cough by a swallow of cold water. Cuprum metallicum, copper, boric materia medicum. Spasmodic affections, cramps, convulsions beginning in fingers and toes, violent, contractive and intermitting pain are some of the more marked expressions of the action of cuprum, and its curative range therefore includes tonic and clonic spasms, convulsions and epileptic attacks. Chorea brought on by fright. Nausea greater than in any other remedy. In epilepsy, aura begins at knees, ascends to hypogastrium, then unconsciousness, foaming and falling. Symptoms disposed to appear periodically and in groups. Complaints begin in left side. Tapeworm. Where eruptions strike in, as in scarlet fever, complaints may result, such as excessive vomiting, stupor, convulsions, which come within the sphere of this remedy. The pains are increased by movement and touch. Head. Fixed ideas, malicious and morose, use words not intended. Fearful, empty feeling, purple, red swelling of head with convulsions, bruised pain in brain and eyes on turning them. Meningitis, sensation as if water were poured overhead. Giddiness accompanies many ailments, head falls forward on chest. Eyes, aching over eyes, fixed, starry, sunken, glistening, turned upward, crossed, quick rolling of eyeballs with closed eyes. Face, distorted, pale bluish, with blue lips, contraction of jaws with foam at mouth. Nose, sensation of violent congestion of blood to nose. Mouth, strong metallic, slimy taste with flow of saliva, constant protrusion and retraction of the tongue like a snake, paralysis of tongue, stammering speech. Stomach, hiccup preceding the spasms, nausea, vomiting, relieved by drinking cold water with colic, diarrhea, spasms. Strong metallic taste. When drinking, the fluid descends with gurgling sound. Craves cool drink. Abdomen, tense, hot and tender to touch. Contracted. Neuralgia of abdominal viscera. Colic, violent and intermittent. Intussusception. Stool, black, painful, bloody, with tenesmus and weakness. Cholera with cramps in abdomen and calves. Female, menses too late, protracted. Cramps extending into chest before, during or after suppression of menses. Also from suppressed food sweats. Ebullition of blood, palpitation, chlorosis after pains. Heart, angina pectoris, slow pulse or heart full and quick. Palpitation, precordial anxiety and pain, fatty degeneration. Respiratory. Cough has a gurgling sound, better by drinking cold water. Suffocative attacks, worse 3 a.m. Spasms and constriction of chest. Spasmodic asthma alternating with spasmodic vomiting. Whooping cough, better, swallow water with vomiting and spasms and purple face. Spasms of the glottis. Dyspnea with epigastric uneasiness, spasmodic dyspnea before menstruation, angina with asthmatic symptoms and cramps. Extremities. Jerking, twitching of muscles, coldness of hands, cramps in palms, great weariness of limbs, cramps in calves and soles. Epilepsy, aura begins in knees, clenched thumbs, chronic spasms beginning in fingers and toes. Skin, bluish, marbled. Ulcers, itching spots and pimples at the folds of joints, chronic psoriasis and lepra. Sleep, profound with shocks in body, during sleep, constant rumbling in abdomen. Modalities, worse before menses from vomiting, contact. Better during perspiration, drinking cold water. Relationship, antidotes, belladonna, hepar, camphor. Copper is found in Dulcamara, Staphysagria, conium and some other plants. Also in king crab. Complementary, Calcarea. Dose 6th to 30th potency.